Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you again for joining us on yet another wonderful video. And I know you love this video as an older lady or woman, or probably a matured woman. You definitely find beautiful and amazing styles as you watch on, as this has to do with 2024 haircuts for older women over 60, and not just over 60. You can definitely find hairstyles and hair ideas for you, the woman in your 40s, in your 50s. You find beautiful medium length haircuts ideas, modern style haircuts for women over 50. You also find hairstyle ideas for, of course, older women of over 60. It doesn't matter, it all depends on what you prefer to go for, be it the bob or the pixie haircut. You find beautiful short bob hairstyles, beautiful short hair with layers, beautiful gray haircuts, as well as short pixie haircut, just as I mentioned before. Lots of amazing hairstyles and some of the best short hairstyles and haircuts for women over this particular age categories. Lovely styles right here, beautiful and amazing ways to style that way, or style your way looking very youthful. Beautiful and amazing hairstyle looks right here, beautiful trends. You can definitely jump on this year. It's a beautiful year to look good and feel confident in yourself. Get that confident booster when it comes to your hair look. Beautiful and amazing looks right here for lots of amazing ladies out there. Very stylish, very classy, very gorgeous, very beautiful, amazing hairstyles, haircuts ideas right here when it comes to short hairstyling for you, the matured lady. So let us hear your thought on the comment section. Do well to share this video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more right here on this platform, because we have lots of amazing ideas for you. And of course, don't forget to check out the related video, because we do have those right here on this platform already up and running. You can do well to watch those right after watching this to the conclusive state. Of course, you have to watch this video through the end so that you get all the amazing juicy ideas when it comes to short hairstyling and haircuts experience. Thank you so very much for watching. Do remember to leave us a like, a thumbs up, leave us a comment, share the video, and press that notification bell so that you get updated each and every time we have a new video uploaded for you right here on this platform. Till tomorrow, take care and bye.